The switch wasn't a problem. The cables were. This office network was running, but the rack had become difficult to understand, and tracing a single connection took more time than it should. We replaced the old patching with Broadbe Slim Patch Cables and rebuilt the front of the rack around three things: correct lengths, clear color logic, easy access to every port. First, we selected short cables for the connections between the patch panels and switches. This removes unnecessary loops and keeps each cable path compact. The slim, flexible design also leaves more of the equipment visible, including port numbers, labels, and status indicators. Next, we organize the connections by color. Different colors can separate workstations, access points, uplinks, cameras, or management links. Color coding does not replace labels or documentation, but it gives the installation an immediate visual structure. When a line needs to be checked, there is less guessing and less risk of disconnecting the wrong cable. Broadbe offers two versions for different network requirements. The 5G model is a Cat6 UTP cable with an ultra-thin diameter of 2.5 millimeters. It supports speeds of up to 5 gigabit Ethernet. For links that need up to 10 gigabit Ethernet, the 10G version uses shielded Cat6A construction and has a diameter of 4 millimeters. Another practical detail is the Bendable RJ45 design. The cable can change direction close to the connector and requires only 23 millimeters of clearance. This makes routing easier in dense racks, behind furniture, and near wall outlets where a standard straight cable may need more space. Both versions also support up to PoE+++, making them suitable for access points, IP cameras, and other high-power PoE equipment. The result is more than a cleaner-looking cabinet. Connections are easier to trace. The equipment remains accessible. Future maintenance and upgrades become simpler. Broadbe Slim Patch Cables turned this working rack into a cleaner, more readable, and more manageable network setup.